Hello students, today we are going to learn about the next topic in chapter 4, that is permeability of soils and seepage analysis. Coming to the next topic, it deals with the permeability from indirect methods by the consolidation data. So here the K of fine grain soils can also be determined indirectly, not by the field test or direct methods, not in the labs. From consolidation test which is conducted on the sample, it gives K is equal to CV gamma W MV or gamma W is equal to rho W G MV. What is K? Nothing but the coefficient of permeability measured in centimeter per second. Coefficient CV is the coefficient of consolidation, meter square per second. Rho W is nothing but the density of water taken in kg per meter cube. G is nothing but 9.81 meter per second square. MV is nothing but the coefficient of volume compressibility centimeter cube per Newton, and gamma W is the unit weight of water which is taken in Newton per meter cube. Since in a consolidation test, the void ratio begins to decrease because as the load we are applying. So the permeability of the sample will also not remain constant during the consolidation. This implies that permeability will decrease with time at a given point, and that at a given point the permeability is different for the different sample at the different points. Hence, consolidation progresses from the drained phase inward, and the permeability will increase correspondingly towards the center of the test specimen. We are considering many uncertainties and simplifying the assumptions and a possible error involved in the theory and execution of a consolidation data. This difference is quite reasonable. So, it is demonstrated that for a fairly broad range of clay soils, the indirect determination of permeability from the results of a consolidation test will provide a very good estimate of the permeability of the soil. Thank you.